Welcome dear student in the next video. See, in this video we will see the hydrogen abstraction reaction in carbonyl compound, that is also known as the photo reduction reaction. So first of all we will see the what is mean by the what is mean by the photo reduction reaction. See, when a solution of benzophenone in isopropyl alcohol is irradiated with a light of 345 nanometer, it produces a benzphenocol. It is a product, major product, benzphenocol. During this photochemical reaction, isopropyl alcohol does not absorb light. See this point. The isopropyl alcohol does not absorb light, but benzophenone absorb light, which undergoes as the N2 pi star transition. N2 pi star transition reaction. Okay, see in this the photochemical in the photoreduction reaction, benzophenone in isopropyl alcohol is irradiated with a light, but in this case benzophenone absorbs light, but isopropyl alcohol does not absorb the light. See, benzophenone undergoes N2 pi star transition. Which transition? N2 pi star transition. See students, hydrogen abstraction reactions are of two types. Okay, two type of reactions are there. See, note this point. First point is the intermolecular hydrogen abstraction reaction, which is called as the photoreduction. Intermolecular हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्शन रिडक्शन जे आपण बघणार आहोत, जे आपण एक्झाम्पल बघणार आहोत, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द इंटरमॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्शन रिॲक्शन. ओके, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द फोटो रिडक्शन. सी द एक्झाम्पल. सी, दिस इज द benzophenone. This is the benzophenone. When react with isopropyl alcohol in presence of light and 2 pi star, that time will get the benzphenocol. Okay, benzphenocol as a major product. See, we will see the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, काय म्हटलंय मी, जेव्हा benzophenone in isopropyl alcohol in presence of photochemical reaction will get the benzphenocol reaction. See how this benzphenocol will form. See the mechanism. See the mechanism of the reaction. See, this is the benzophenone reaction in presence of light. Firstly, what happens when benzphenocol irradiated with light? Then first of all, it goes to the singlet state. Okay, it goes to the singlet state. Okay, initially benzphenocol absorption is followed by the rapid intersystem crossing from S1 to T1. Understood? Means this benzphenocol irradiated light. Initially, this benzophenone absorption of light is there. That time rapid intersystem crossing from S1. This one means S1, singlet triplet state to singlet state to singlet excited state to the triplet excited state. Means this reaction in the triplet state. What is the transition here? N2 pi star transition is there. Okay, now see what happened. First of all, this CO bond will break homolytically in the triplet state, in the triplet excited state. Okay, this and triplet state of carbonyl group of benzophenone is capable of abstracting the alpha hydrogen of isopropyl alcohol. This alpha hydrogen of the isopropyl alcohol thus gives rise to the two radicals. What I am saying, what I said to you, told to you. See again. See, first of all, benzophenone absorbed light initially. That time absorption of light, that time what happened? a rapid intersystem crossing from singlet S1 to T1. Okay, S1 to T1 is there, triplet state. After that, in N2 pi star transition is there. Now N2 pi star this मी याला म्हणते N2 पाय स्टार. N2 पाय स्टार ट्रिपलेट स्टेट, याला काय म्हणतो आपण, N2 पाय स्टार ट्रिपलेट, ह्या ट्रिपलेट स्टेटमध्ये आहे. ट्रान्झिशन आहे N2 पाय स्टार ट्रिपलेट स्टेट ऑफ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप ऑफ बेन्झोफिनॉन. आता हा इथे ब्रेकिंग झाला आहे. ओके, C डॉट O डॉट, डॉट म्हणजे रॅडिकल. ओके, नाव इट इज केपेबल टू ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट द हायड्रोजन फ्रॉम द आयसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहोल. ओके, आयसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहोल लाईट इरेडिएटेड करत नाही, बेन्झोफिनॉनच करतो. तर हा काय करतो, ट्रिपलेट स्टेटचा हा हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करतो फ्रॉम द आयसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहोल टू गेट द दिस टू टाइप ऑफ रॅडिकल. ओके, प्रायमरी प्रोसेस इज दिस, टू रॅडिकल्स, A रॅडिकल अँड B रॅडिकल. सी हियर C डॉट ऑक्सिजन हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करेल तेव्हा काय होईल, C6H5 C6H5. नाव C डॉट जसंचा तसा आणि OH हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट केला इथून त्यांनी, आणि इथे करायला इथे हायड्रोजन गेला तर इथे पण होमोलिटिक फ्युजन झालं ना CH बॉन्डचं, तर इथे काय राहिलं C रॅडिकल. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस, वी गेट द टू रॅडिकल्स अप. आता काय होणार की दिस टू रॅडिकल्स, दिस कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू युनिट्स to form the benzphenol. How? See, this radical will may combine to form this dimerization product benzphenol will form. Ha radical, this radical may combine with the another this radical to form the benzphenol. Or the second possibility is what? These two radicals may combine with each other to form this type of radicals. Or third possibility is this radical dimerizes with the this radical to form the another product. But the major product is the benzphenol product in the photoreduction. Understood this first example? We'll see the next example. Okay. See, आपण पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये काय पाहिलं की बेन्झोफिनॉन when in the isopropyl alcohol. See, next example, benzophenone in benzhydrol. Okay, benzophenone in benzhydrol. See, this is the example. Again, benzophenone in light. पहिले काय होईल तो S1 टू ट्रिपलेट स्टेटमध्ये जाईल. मी डायरेक्ट लिहिले ट्रिपलेट स्टेटमध्ये होमोलिटिक फ्युजन ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंड. ओके, नाव इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ याला काय म्हणतात, बेन्झहायड्रोल सोल्युशन घेतलं आपण. ठीक आहे, आता काय होईल, हा दिस रॅडिकल, दिस ट्रिपलेट स्टेट ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंड ऑफ बेन्झोफिनॉल नाव ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट हायड्रोजन फ्रॉम द बेन्झहायड्रोल टू फॉर्म अगेन टू radicals. Okay, this radical and this radical. Okay, these two radicals may combine to form, these two radicals combine each other to form the benzphenol, or two radicals combines with each other to form the another different product, or maybe this radical dimerizes to form the another product. Understood? This is the example of in the benzhydrol. Benzophenone is common here. Benzophenone. Why? Because this benzophenone absorbs the light, not this benzhydrol solution or the isopropyl solution. Only this benzophenone in the triplet state abstract the hydrogen from this benzhydrol solution, benzhydrol, and give the two radical like this. Understood? Means this homolytic fusion is there here. This hydrogen H radical abstracted by this oxygen radical to form this A and this B radical. Okay, and these two radicals may combine with each other to form the benzphenol. Okay, now we will see the another example in the toluene. Toluene means which group? This benzene ring CH3. Now again benzophenone abstract the hydrogen from this toluene, this CH3 group. See how This benzophenone irradiate, first step is same step. This benzophenone irradiated with light again in the triplet state and again in the triplet state, and after that in presence of toluene, see again what happened. This, see, this triplet state of benzophenone of the carbonyl group abstract the hydrogen from this toluene. Hydrogen from this toluene means this is CH2H. This hydrogen abstraction by the carbonyl group to form again two radicals. These two radicals will form again. These two radicals may combine to form this benzphenocol. This is the benzphenocol, and these two will combine with each other to form this type of different product. Okay, now this is the homework for you. These two examples, see these two examples and do yourself. This is for you. हे दोन्ही एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला करून बघायचे आहे. आणि याच्यामध्ये बघा, हा एक एक्झाम्पल घेतला आहे मी बेन्झोफिनॉन नाही घेतला आहे, दुसरा एक्झाम्पल घेतला आहे. त्यामध्ये एक अल्कोहोल घेतला आहे. हा कसा करून बघा, तुम्हाला जमते का. परत मी एक हा एक्झाम्पल घेतला आहे. ओके, याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला जे प्रॉडक्ट फॉर्म होईल तो पिनॅकोल्स होईल. ओके, प्रॉडक्ट फॉर्म होईल तो पिनॅकोल होईल. थँक्यू स्टुडंट्स, हॅव अ नाईस डे.